Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My voice is going, but that's all right. I'll be showing you how I make my crispy and juicy fried chicken, guys. This chicken is like, what should I say? I can't think of anyone who doesn't like fried chicken. All right, so let's get started. I did cut up a chicken and I washed it thoroughly, but then we want to do the final touches of the chicken, so I add some water. I'm going to add some salt along with some vinegar and some lime juice or lemon juice. This is how I do my chicken, all right? Squeeze the lime juice in there, then toss it around and let it sit for 20 to 25 minutes. After that lengthy time of sitting in that juice there, the chicken is going to change its color like it is here right now, meaning that it took that vinegar and that lime well. Strain it out, sop it dry, and season it. I'm going to be leaving all the ingredients and measurements in the description box below, but at this time you can feel free to add any seasonings of your choice. And if you know me well, mustard is a must when I'm seasoning my chicken, along with some freshly grated garlic and ginger. This helps to tenderize the meat. All right, mix it up well, make sure that it's well seasoned, and then I'm going to place it into a Ziploc bag. Now you can leave your chicken to marinate for an hour or two. I leave mine overnight, place it into the refrigerator, and now it's the next day. So I'm going to pour it over into a dish, and then I'm going to start the goodness for this chicken. Now this chicken is well marinated. So let's go right over to making our batter. Into this container, I'm going to be adding some flour, and I'm going to season this flour well. Add some smoked paprika, which brings back that flavor, guys. Some onion and garlic powder into here. I did a combination of seasons, which is 5-spice, fine thyme, black pepper, and that's what I just pour in there. I'm also going to be adding some Italian seasoning along with some salt, and then you want to mix this up well, making sure that it's evenly combined. Now I'm going to add some milk into this flour to make the batter. Stir it up well. Make sure that you get a nice consistency that is going to hold onto the chicken. And this is what your consistency should look like. Set this aside. Into another container, we're going to add some flour and add the same spices that I use over here into the batter and just mix it well. At this time, I have a pot with oil on the stove now. I'm not going to tell you how much degrees because I know we're talking about adults here. You would have an average as to when you're frying anything, at what temperature your oil should be, because we always do this on an average most times, all right? So what I'm going to do is add my chicken into the batter. Make sure I drip most of the batter out. Place it into the mixed flour over here. And at this time, you want to pat that flour into the meat. Put a lot of flour and just keep patting it down. In this way, the flour is going to stick to the batter. And then you want to shake it. Just like this. Let's do another one, guys. Soak it into the batter. Drip it off, place it into the flour, and just make sure that you pat that flour onto the chicken. Put a lot of flour onto it, guys. Once you're done, turn it over, do the same, and just shake it. At this time, you want to place it into your oil and let it fry for 4 to 5 minutes on each side or until they are golden brown. I'm telling you that this fried chicken recipe is a keeper, guys. Once it gets brown, flip it over on the other side and let it fry again. You can regulate your heat under the pot if you think it's too hot, but just make sure that it's right. Once it's done, remove them and place them onto a paper towel, just so that we can get the excess oil from the chicken. And our chicken is done frying. It's this simple and good, guys. This is what it looks like and ready to serve. So let me break into my chicken and show you guys. Look at this, guys. What an amazing feeling when you pick up your fried chicken, break it apart slightly, and hear the crackling of the perfectly fried skin. Tender, juicy chicken, well seasoned inside and outside, guys. Yes, so give it a try. Use this recipe and leave me a comment and let me know what you think about it, all right? So enjoy. Don't you forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'll see you soon.